This is a quick video just showing you how to activate your account if you've been added to the Pluto Password Protect. You can click on this email that you'll get as an activation email. You can click on this Activate Account button and it will bring you to this form. Pause the video and fill out the Choose Your Password and Security Information sections, and then from there I will show you the rest. All right, so now that you've filled out the form with a password that is appropriate and this information here, you can enter in your organization key. So your organization key will need to be given to you by either Pluto Microbusiness or by whoever is managing your Pluto Password Protect for the company. The organization key is essentially a company-wide password that you all use to prove that not only do you have the credentials for your account, but that your account should have access to the company-wide passwords. So I will put in my organization key and activate the account. So once you've activated the account, you will be able to see some of the passwords here in the company vault, and then you also have your vault. So the difference between these two vaults is your vault is essentially just these are your personal passwords that you're saving. They can be for work, they can be for your personal life, but these are passwords that only you have access to by default. The company vault is a vault that is shared by the whole company. So if there's a credential that everybody needs to have access to, it can be saved to the company vault and can be moved there from the default vault. Now that you've gotten your account activated, there will be videos that you can watch to further understand Passportal that go into some of the basics and the more intermediate to advanced settings in Passportal.